Sometimes when you scan a variable price barcode, such as this one, you would see this error message that says you do not have a permission to add item to inventory. So the item works and everything works and the item gets found and added to the shopping cart, but you continue to receive this message and it bothers you and you'd like to remove it. So to do this, first you have to understand that you are logged in as a type of a user that doesn't have a permission to work with inventory. And to do this, you have to be logged in as somebody who has ability to change those permissions. So I'm going to quickly log in as an admin. Alright, so now that I have ability to change these things, I'm going to open the Employees app. Alright, and go to Permissions. So the issue is with an inventory app, and as you can see, employee or manager, neither one of those two have ability to work with an inventory app, only admin can. And that's the reason for the message. So we're going to check both of those user types to have ability to work with invoice, and we're going to relog in to show you that it works now. Alright, so here's the empty shopping cart again, the barcode. So when we scan it, now you see that it first tries to add an item to the inventory, then variable price barcode parser sort of cancels that process and it takes you back to the screen. So that's the way to get rid of the error message, but in doing so you will also see this flashing of the screen which cannot be avoided. So there you go.